Well, happy Saturday, everybody. It is September the 16th. We're still in Halifax. We got here like 2 weeks ago. We were supposed to leave today. They canceled our flight because there's a Hurricane Lee. Well, now post-tropical storm, depression, Lee or whatever. Anyway, we've been in the wind and the rain all day long. Some people have asked, what is it like being in the middle of a hurricane? Not even a hurricane anymore, but it's kind of windy.
Okay.
I need Sue to demonstrate for me, because when the gusts come.
What?
I said when the gusts come, it is
really windy.
It's
What?
just waiting for a gust. It's like the spray in your face.
And we shouldn't have any spray. The harbor's way over there. Way over there.
It's over there. As you can see, it's windy, but it's not that windy. The ground's wet, but we're doing all right.
Oh, look, someone's got run over.